Want to remove Microsoft PC Manager from your Windows computer? Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, reinstalling the app, or simply no longer need it, Windows makes the uninstall process quick and straightforward. In this guide, I'll show you how to uninstall Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, make sure Microsoft PC Manager is completely closed. If it's still running in the background, exit the application from the system tray or close it from Task Manager if necessary. Next, open Settings, select Apps, and then choose Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Use the search box to quickly locate Microsoft PC Manager in the list of installed applications. This makes it easier if you have many apps installed. Click the three-dot menu or select the application, then choose Uninstall. You may be asked to confirm your decision before Windows removes the application. Wait while Windows removes Microsoft PC Manager from your computer. Depending on your system, the uninstall process may take a minute or two. Finally, restart your computer to complete the removal process. After restarting, you can confirm that Microsoft PC Manager no longer appears in your installed apps list. And that's how to uninstall Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. If you ever decide to use it again, you can always download the latest version from Microsoft's official website and reinstall it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.